This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for the Kern County area. This system is used for warning and essential safety information during emergencies. This is only a test as it's not an actual alert. An official message would have followed the alert tone. This test is originating from the Kern County Office of Emergency Services Warning Center in Bakersfield, California. This concludes the monthly test for the Kern County area emergency alert system.
It was like kind of teaching me how to play. Like it would overshadow me as in a